Hello there, guys. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. Today I'm here to share caps. What is the cap that Kathy King has on her art glitter glue? Here is the 411. All right, guys. So this cap is the cap to the Fineline Applicator. All right. Way back when, I'm talking about years ago, when I started using glue for my projects, I had a problem with controlling the amount of glue that comes out of the dispenser here at the top. It was too much. It was a mess, right? Over the years, I have perfected it. So I haven't had a need for anything other than the main applicator that comes with specifically the art glitter glue. All right. What did I use back then? I used this. It's called the Fineline Applicator, and you can get it online. And again, I'm talking about years ago I used this. So then when I mastered the flow of my glue with this regular applicator right here, then we have the clogging problem, right? This comes with a little pin, which I lose every 5 seconds if I was just using the pin. I've had a topper. I've had all sorts of things, guys, throughout the years. Remember, I craft a lot, right? I do this for a living. So I remembered that I had these glues in my stash. These bottles, glue bottles in my stash. They're empty glue bottles. This is not a glue, it's a glue bottle. So I loved the cap to this. All right. So I put it on here. And I can tell you that I've probably replaced this, I don't know, maybe twice since I've been using these. So here's the mechanism. It comes with a 2-system pin. This one is the female, this one is the male. So when you close it, you have to do this to close it. And that was always super duper challenging for me. I just don't have the eyesight anymore, the dexterity anymore to do that. I'm kind of doing it well right now, but anyway, it was a pain in the butt. So I love the cap. I love the kind of airtight result that you get from this, right? So I took it apart, and you technically have 2 pins. So you have 2 life cycles here, guys. All right. So how I use this is I close it. You get a little bit of glue on there every single time, right? But it doesn't matter. It works beautifully. You guys have seen me use this. That's why you ask me all the time. So I use it like this first. I put it in there, and I put it on my cap like this. Once this gets all gunked up, and you can wash it, all right, because it doesn't corrode. So once this gets all gunked up, I wash, and then once it's useless to me, then I use this. All right, so you have 2. All right, 2 of them. And it works beautifully, guys. I love it. So this is what I use. It's the cap to the Fineline Applicator. And dare I say that once I'm done with this, I give it to Faith, and she plays in the sink and does potions with it. All right, this is where this goes. And then when that's done, it goes in the trash. So that's what happens to this part of it. So that's what I use, guys. That's it. So you can pick this up on Amazon or just Google it, Fineline Applicator, if you want to try it out. It comes in a package of 2. All right, I have 1 left here, and I've probably got 10 more in my stash. All right, so because I love it, and I will continue to use it for the top of my glue because I don't lose it the way I lose the pin. Do you need this? No. I'm making this video because you guys asked me what is a cap that Kathy uses on her art glitter glue. So there you have it, my friends. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.